Pay attention to what is occurring within you right now. There is deep insight and clarity that is coming through to you. You have the opportunities to undo old patterns and habits that you have been responding to for a very long time now. Clear guidance and instructions are being shown to you as to how to release, move forward, and let this go. This may come as feeling uncomfortable to you because you're moving in a way that is unknown and unfamiliar. When you find yourself wanting to latch back on, attach back to what was, redirect yourself